Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, Carlos and I are going to plant all of these beautiful shade perennials. I have different shades of colors. We have this silver color from the Brunner. We have a beautiful purple from a heuchera. We have the really nice dark rich color from the hydrangea, and then the beautiful blue blooms, and then we have a really pretty chartreuse from the creeping jenny. And I think it looks really pretty. It's all perennial, like I said, really low maintenance. You only have to clean the plants a little bit for maintenance, and other than that, that's it. A little bit of fertilizer. This is how the Brunner, I planted the Brunner back in spring, so I'm not gonna plant it right now, but I'm just gonna give it a little bit of maintenance. It's gotten really leggy, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut back all of this on all of them and go ahead and wear gloves because they are very I was not expecting the Brunner to be very spiky, but it is, so be careful and wear gloves. I did one of the plants and then I realized that they were that I didn't realize I was feeling I was getting hurt, so I did one and then I was like, nope, I need to go get some gloves because this is too much. So I'm just pretty much cleaning the plant out because I haven't done it. What? Is that red? Look at Carlos laughing at me because I have a glove backwards. I couldn't find the other pair, but they're spiky and I can't do it. These are like, look, it has a whole bunch of little spikes. And once I grabbed it, I was like, ow. And I was like, nope, I can't. I did like one of them and then I was like, nope, I can't do it. Look at him. He wants to fall. So he's making the hole for the for this beautiful endless summer hydrangea. And it's in the blue color. So pretty. But look at how much better it looks now that I took away all of those really ugly foliage. So this Brunner is the Queen of Hearts from Proven Winners, and it's part shade to shade, flowers in spring and summer. It can grow up to 18 tall and it spreads to 36. And it's hardy in zones 3 to 8. So this is the Endless Summer Original Hydrangea. This is the one that I have in my front flower beds. I really like it because it is so pretty. It's such a pretty hydrangea. It's probably gonna start turning pink on me because we do have a very alkaline soil. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, I really love it. It's so big and beautiful. So we'll see what we have. So this hydrangea can grow up to 3 to 5 feet tall. It is part shade and hardiness zone is 4 through 9. But it's been here since spring. Oh. Like it right there. Yes. Look how nicer it looks. So I already planted this one and this one. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Carlos is like, don't plant the creeping jenny, it looks so ugly. Yes, it does look ugly because I didn't water it. But it's gonna perk up. I know it is because creeping jenny is super tough. So I know it's gonna perk up. dig in the last hole. Look at how perfect that one is. It's like a perfect heart. So beautiful.
Thank you.
So the heuchera I'm planting can grow up to 3 feet tall, and it can spread up to 36 inches wide, and it is a perennial, part sun to shade. Yeah, I got these plants a long time ago, and that's why they look a little tired, but it's gonna be okay. They're very tough plants. And the creeping Jenny is also a perennial, zones 3 to 9, and yeah, it's going to do well. I'm hoping that it's gonna trail down the rocks and it's gonna look so beautiful. That's what I'm expecting, and it grows so fast. Creeping Jenny grows like it's an annual, and yeah, I love it. I love creeping Jenny. It's one of my favorite plants. So I want to start something new, and I want to start adding one comment on every video from you guys. So from the previous video, I'm gonna choose it, and it's gonna be randomly. So this one is my double knockout rose update video, and the comment that I chose was from Beauty Bar 0715. She says, "These are the most beautiful roses I have seen, so inspiring." Thank you so much, Beauty Bar, and I'm glad the roses are inspiring you. Yeah, so let me know if you guys like that or not. I like it because I love reading you guys' comments. So this flower bed has a lot of plants that grow really big, so I might have to move stuff around. I myself don't mind that, so keep in mind that if you guys plant these plants, make sure you guys give it a little bit more space. So I hope you guys like the video, and see you till next time. Bye bye.